You're holding your newborn, heart full, ready to embrace breastfeeding like it's the most natural thing in the world. Everyone says it'll be magical, effortless, instinctual. But what if I told you it's one of the rawest, realest, and most rewarding challenges you'll ever face? Stay with me, because I'm sharing the truths about breastfeeding no one warned me about. And I bet you'll relate. What no one told me about breastfeeding is that it's not just about feeding a baby. It's a journey, a physical, emotional, and deeply personal journey that can shake you to your core. When I was pregnant, I heard it over and over. Breastfeeding is natural. Your body will know what to do. And yeah, it is natural. But natural doesn't always mean easy. No one told me there could be pain that stops you in your tracks. No one told me there could be frustration that makes you doubt yourself. No one warned me about the nights I'd sit quietly, holding my baby, tears falling, wondering, am I getting this right? Have you ever felt that way? I imagined peaceful moments, golden light, soft music, perfect bonding. But my reality? Sore nipples that burned with every latch, positions that felt like a wrestling match, latch struggles that left me second-guessing everything, and exhaustion so heavy it felt like carrying a mountain. I'd whisper to myself in the dark, why is this so hard? Why didn't anyone tell me? Sound familiar? The first shock was the pain. Even the tiniest latch mistake felt like fire, sharp and relentless. Everyone said it gets better, and it does, but not overnight. Here's what I wish I'd known. If it hurts, you don't have to suffer in silence. Asking for help isn't weakness, it's love for yourself and your baby. Have you reached out yet? Then came the engorgement. Oh, wow. My chest felt heavy, swollen, like it was trying to figure out this new job. I leaked through shirts, bras, blankets. Picture waking up soaked even when my baby was fast asleep. Messy? Yes. Unexpected? Totally. Normal? Absolutely. Who else has had those moments? The worry was constant, like a background hum. Is my baby getting enough? Am I doing this right? Why are they still crying? My whole world started to feel like ounces, timers, and schedules. If you've ever felt your identity shrink to how much milk today, you're not alone. The emotional roller coaster caught me off guard. Some days I felt like a superhero, proud and unstoppable. Other days I felt overwhelmed, trapped in an endless loop. Some feedings were pure love, heart-melting connection. Others felt like pressure, like I was being graded. And that doesn't mean we love our babies any less. It means we're human. Can you relate? There were nights when the world slept, but I didn't. Just me and my baby in a quiet, dark room, their soft breathing against my chest, wondering if I was enough. Those moments felt so lonely, but they also felt sacred. Ever had that mix of emotions? And the pressure from others? Relentless. Do this, don't do that. No, you're doing it wrong. No matter what I chose, someone had an opinion. Breastfeed exclusively. No formula. Stick to a schedule. No, feed on demand. It was exhausting, like I couldn't win. Has anyone made you feel that way? And the guilt? Ugh, that guilt hits like a tidal wave. If breastfeeding felt hard, I blamed myself. But here's the truth. Feeding your baby isn't a performance to ace. It's love. It's care. No matter how you do it, breast, pump, formula, or a mix, it's love. Say it with me. You're not failing. There were moments I wanted to quit, moments I questioned everything, moments I felt lost, like my baby and I weren't meant to figure it out. But slowly, things shifted. The latch got better, like a puzzle clicking into place. My confidence grew with every small win. We found positions that worked for us, not Instagram perfect, but ours. I learned my baby's cues, the little signs that turned chaos into connection. We found our rhythm, not the one I imagined, not the one I was told I should have, but ours. What was the moment you found yours? Here's the biggest lesson I learned. Every breastfeeding journey is different. Some moms breastfeed like champs. Some pump through the chaos. Some supplement with formula for peace of mind. Some choose formula completely. And every single one of those mothers is doing her absolute best. Who's with me? You are not less of a mother if your journey looks different. You are not failing your baby. You are learning. You are adapting. You are loving with everything you've got. So, to every mom listening right now, be gentle with yourself. This is new for you and your baby. You're learning each other step by step. Ask for help when you need it. Lactation consultants, mom groups, friends. Rest when you can, even if it's just a deep breath. Drink water like it's your lifeline. Eat something warm, something that feels like a hug. Lean on the people who lift you up and let go of the guilt you were never meant to carry. You've got this. Because yes, breastfeeding can be hard. No sugarcoating it. But it's also beautiful in ways you don't expect. There are moments when your baby rests on your chest, their tiny hand near your heart, their breathing slowing to match yours, and you feel a connection so powerful it takes your breath away. Those moments remind you this isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about love. It's about your best, whatever that looks like today. What's your best right now? To every mom out there, you're doing incredible. You're stronger than you know. You are more than enough. Believe it. If this made you feel seen, heard, or understood, know this. You're not alone. We're in this together. Messy, beautiful, and all. So, hit that like button if this resonated with you. Share this with a new mom who needs to hear she's not alone. It could make her day. Subscribe for more real, raw stories about motherhood. And let's keep this conversation going. What's one thing no one told you about breastfeeding? Drop it in the comments. I'm here, I'm listening, and your story matters. Let's build this community one honest moment at a time.